I'm Stacy Reed, and welcome to the Sweet Stuff Web Watch. This week we'll be talking about heat maps. Heat maps display complex information in unique visualizations using color. The first site, Fengui, asks you to upload your image. Then it creates heat maps based on where it thinks the human eye would most likely be drawn to first. I was going to show you a demonstration using an image of my own, but they limit usage to once every 12 hours, and I kind of goofed up by doing this too recently, so let me show you some examples they've set up on their own website. Now, you can see the different colors, the brightest marking the areas where the eye is most apt to focus. No, they don't have a bunch of people sitting around looking at every image. Instead, they use an algorithm based on research from the field of robotics into how we humans see and the processes that go on in our brains when we look at things. Fengui has about a 70% accuracy, so it has many useful applications for designers, advertisers, and webmasters. Next stop, ClickHeat from Labs Media, which can be embedded to show a visual heat map of clicks on an HTML page showing hot and cold zones. This is an open source software released under the GPL license, so it's free for you to use. They've provided a demo for us to see an example of how this works, once it's been installed on your server. A similar site, CrazyEgg, displays hotspots where users click most on a site, but what's more, their approach helps you gain a better understanding of a visitor's habits so that you can take the necessary steps to help users focus on the areas of information that you would like them to see most. This is a paid month-to-month service, and we're looking at the demo of it right now. All you need to do as a web developer is drop a little chunk of JavaScript code into each page that you'd like to track. Then, besides the awesome heat map visualization we have here, you can run tests to find more information, like which are your most popular pages, entry and exit pages, where visitors came from, and how long they stayed. As that old adage goes, there's more than one way to skin a cat. Here's a similar site that not only records click data, but captures every move of the mouse and even keystrokes so you can see your site through the eyes of your visitors just as though you were looking over their shoulders. ClickTail offers several analytic tools for a monthly fee, which range in price depending on the amount of page views your site receives. Before closing, let's stop by Heatmap API, where you can create your own heat map images that you can overlay on Google Maps. They provide the code, which you can embed into your HTML, to create a unique visualization of data. There are many uses, but they provided a few examples for us. For instance, users can visualize demographic data, risk management, say in the event of a zombie outbreak, and this one shows a cell tower's signal strength. Heat maps are a great way to visualize complex information on a two-dimensional plane. Once you understand how visitors focus on your images, interact with your site, and where their interests lie, you can optimize your site and the ads therein to grab their attention. Not to mention, retain usership, increase sales, and simplify navigation. This is Stacy Reed signing out. For more sweet stuff, visit butterscotch.com.